Hello friends, welcome. My name is Rain Francis. I'm here to announce a new series that I've started on my channel, Rain Francis Art. I've started a weekly live stream broadcast called Beginner Art Lessons. And on this broadcast, I show you how to draw and paint in real time. Now, the best part of this live stream is the interaction with the chat. A lot of people pop by just to say hello, and some people actually follow along. It's a lot of fun. Whenever I create these live streams, when I schedule them in advance, it pops up on my YouTube channel as a big thumbnail just to announce that it's coming up. And if you're subscribed to Rain Francis Art, you'll get a notification if you've clicked on the notification bell, or it'll just pop up in your subscriptions so you'll know what's coming up. Now, if you look at the description of this live stream, in the description I always leave a list of supplies that I'll be using or that I think I'll be using. I always update it after the live stream. And I also include stencils that I've created and reference photos. My next beginner art lesson live stream will take place on Thursday, April 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's also called New York time. And I will be showing you how to paint and draw the Northern Lights, the Aurora Borealis. Here are some of my paintings of the Northern Lights that I've done in the past. I've done them with acrylic paints, I've done them with oil paints, and I've done them with watercolors. I'm going to show you how to easily paint this beautiful scenery. I'm also going to try to draw the Northern Lights with my Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. I've never done it before, so let's see how I do. Well, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in chat on Rain Francis Art on April 24th, Thursday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take care. Bye.